The construction of the A1 Rhine Bridge here in Leverkusen is a major infrastructure project in the heart of Germany. It is essential for the regional connectivity, linking the economical areas here in the North Rhine-Westphalia area to the ports out west like Rotterdam. It is scheduled to be completed by 2028. Projects like this involve hundreds of workers from different countries and companies and over 1,000 individual tasks, which all need to work together to ensure that the construction site runs smoothly and on time. A delay to one part of the project can delay the entire build. Conducting regular site surveys help us to catch potential issues early. HOCHTIEF has used basic drone surveys before. These surveys were dependent on the pilot's availability and usually on a short notice of time. These drone pilots did not have the BVLOS permits, so they had to conduct the surveys from both sides of the bridge, which is a drain on time.
So we've installed a DJI Dock 2. It lives here permanently, it's completely weatherproof, and it will actually remain here for the duration of the build. The drone was installed by our team here on site, and now it's piloted remotely by one of our pilots in Madrid. Once a week, the pilot will connect to the drone remotely and launch it, and then oversee the operation as it does a survey of the construction site. By having our pilot operate this remotely, it means they can be much more flexible. They can man multiple missions across multiple sites all within the same day. This makes it more efficient for us as a company, which means that we can offer our customer a more cost-effective solution. We can react much faster. If HOCHTIEF needs some specific survey data, our pilot can operate remotely and dial in to capture that data for them. But the service is also safer because we don't have anyone physically on site.
Once the drone has collected the survey data, it is then uploaded to the DroneDeploy platform. DroneDeploy is able to create both 2D and topographical maps and 3D models of the construction site. These analytics help with clearly and accurately tracking changes over time, making comparisons between designs and as built, quality monitoring, earthwork volume mapping, and ensuring accurate billing to contractors. These data insights mean we can improve site documentation and communication, reduce the risk of expensive rework, save time spent on in-person inspections, and conduct them more safely. The service has provided seamless and cost-effective monitoring of the progress of our site. Collecting data with drones will be a key factor in improving efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making on our HOCHTIEF construction sites.